This is the entrance to the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, one of the most secure facilities in the nation. Every individual undergoes.
Here at the linen fibers arrive in compressed bales.
The raw fibers, a precise blend of cotton and linen, enter the purification system. Here, powerful process begins here, as the raw cotton fibers are rhythmically churned into a fine slurry, the foundation of every dollar bill. The infusion process embeds the distinct red and blue security fibers into the cotton and linen pulp, a critical step in preventing counterfeiting. This is the critical sheet formation stage. The wet pulp mixture is evenly distributed across a high-speed conveyor, beginning its journey to become legal tender. The watermark embedding process utilizes precision molds to press the intricate designs into the wet cotton linen paper. This stage, known as the drying process, utilizes high-tech heated rollers to evaporate moisture evenly, ensuring the integrity of the currency. Here we see the large sheet cutting system, where the newly printed currency is trimmed with pinpoint accuracy.
Continuous motion allows these automated cameras to detect imperfections instantly, ensuring the integrity of the US dollar.
The base layer is applied using large offset presses, printing the subtle background colors that protect against counterfeiting.
The process begins with the background printing, the foundation of the dollar's security features.
In this continuous motion, the engraved plates align perfectly with the sheets, creating the distinct raised ink that defines genuine currency.
High pressure intallium is essential. The intense pressure forces the ink into the spiced dollar. Continuous motion on the conveyor allows the freshly applied ink to stabilize under carefully controlled airflow, a critical step in the printing process. This is the crucial numbering station. Each sheet receives its unique 8-digit serial number, ensuring every dollar can be tracked.
The security threads are embedded during the printing process, aligning perfectly within the sheets to prevent counterfeiting.
In this specialty printing zone, the iridescent color-shifting ink is applied, a crucial step in securing the nation's currency. Every sheet of currency must pass this rigorous quality control stage before it enters circulation.
In this staging area, continuous motion ensures the stacks align perfectly for the next stage of the US dollar printing process. With micron precision, these high-speed guillotine cutters slice the sheets into individual notes. After printing, the sheets enter the separation stage, where automated systems divide and stack the currency with pinpoint accuracy.
The individual note-cutting system ensures every bill is identical. Here, high-speed blades slice the sheets into thousands of perfect notes every hour.
After cutting, the sheets arrive here at the edge alignment conveyor. High-frequent vibrations ensure every stack is perfectly square.
Once printed, the notes are rapidly sorted and counted by these high-speed machines, processing thousands of bills per minute under strict security.
In the bundling station, precision machinery wraps the counted stacks. This process, known as banding, secures the note.
Once the bundles are compressed, the sealing mechanism applies precise tension, securing the currency for transit.
Once the currency is printed and inspected, it moves to the high-speed packaging line. Here, robotic arms group the bundles into larger bricks for shipment.
Once bundled, the currency bricks move through the heat tunnel, where a clear polymer film is tightly sealed around them for protection.
The automated system applies a serialized barcode for precise tracking through the global financial system. At this stage, the high-speed optical scanners meticulously examine every note. Using advanced high-resolution cameras.
This ultraviolet testing chamber is a critical step in the anti-counterfeit process, revealing the hidden security features embedded in the currency. The magnetic ink verification stage is critical. Sensors scan the unique signatures in real time,
Utilizing advanced optical sensors, the automated system ensures that only flawless currency enters circulation. At the verification station, the approved bundles undergo final certification. These synchronized stamps signify that the currency is ready for release. Once printed, the currency moves through this secure transfer zone, protected by reinforced steel and constant surveillance.
Deep within the treasury, this automated vault storage system organizes and secures the daily output of US currency with robotic precision.
Here, advanced algorithms monitor the inventory and distribution of newly printed currency across the globe. Deep within the vault, robotic arms precisely retrieve the freshly printed currency, preparing it for shipment across the globe. This is the final stage before distribution. Every bundle is meticulously accounted for before being loaded into these reinforced containers for transport.
Once sealed, these containers are moved by automated systems into the waiting armored trucks.
Manifest as confirmed. Bay 4 is secure.
The armored convoy departs the facility, carrying billions of dollars destined for the Federal Reserve. It is a highly choreographed operation.
These armored convoys transport the freshly printed billions from the Bureau of Engraving and Printing to the Federal Reserve.
The central bank intake area is the first stop for new currency. Here at the Federal Reserve dock, security
This centralized vault holds trillions of US dollars, managed entirely by an intricate network of robotic systems. The currency allocation system processes over 100 million transactions an hour, directing the flow of the nation's funds. Here in the packaging zone, billions of dollars are securely shrink-wrapped and loaded into transport units for regional distribution.
Here at the dispatch dock, the freshly printed currency is loaded into high-security transport vehicles.
From the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, the journey begins. A synchronized network ensuring the flow of U.S. currency to
Every single dollar stored here is accounted for, tracked by a centralized system from the moment it leaves the printing press. Once printed, the currency is moved to the banking hall for final distribution. Here, every bundle is meticulously accounted for before being released. High-speed precision is crucial. These machines can process up to 12,000 notes per minute, rigorously inspected before they reach circulation. Once printed and distributed to member banks, the currency officially enters circulation, as seen in this substantial withdrawal.
Here in the Life Cycle Center, the journey of the dollar concludes.
Your change, sir. Thank you.
Every day, billions of dollars are processed here. The counting machines ensure accuracy at speeds the human eye can barely track.
Here on the street, the American economy is a continuous, dynamic exchange. Every dollar tells a story.
While digital payments are rising, cash is still king for local shops, handling hundreds of dollars a day.
From these presses flows the world's reserve currency, underpinning the vast, interconnected network of global.
The journey begins here, deep within the Bureau of Engraving. From these presses, the dollar circulates through every... These high-speed machines count over 40 bills per second, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in the currency supply.
The high-speed industrial shredders reduce the worn bills to mere confetti before they are compacted into massive bales and shipped off for reuse.
Integrated seamlessly into the nation's financial bloodstream, these new bills replace worn currency through a highly automated, continuous process.
As the freshly printed currency leaves the presses, it transforms, becoming the lifeblood of the economy.
The $100 bill is a marvel of anti-counterfeiting technology. Note the raised intaglio ink and the embedded security fibers.
The intricate watermark, visible only under direct light, is a hallmark of authentic currency.
This glowing thread, visible only under ultraviolet light, is one of the many advanced features designed to protect the integrity of the dollar. As the angle changes, the ink shifts dramatically from copper to a vibrant emerald green, making counterfeiting nearly impossible.
This is where value is born. The intricate process ensures the integrity of the world's reserve currency. Moving at high speed, these conveyors ensure the continuous flow of billions of dollars through the printing process. Inside the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, sophisticated machines count currency at speeds up to 40,000 bills per minute.
Look closely at the surface of the dollar bill. The embedded security fibers and raised ink are crucial elements in the fight against counterfeiting.
Directional lighting reveal the intricate detail of the intaglio process, where ink sits proud on the surface. The glowing blue strip seen here is one of the many advanced security features embedded within the fibers of the currency paper. As the light passes through the semi-transparent layers, the watermark gradually emerges. This intricate detail is the seemingly solid lines resolve into the repeating phrase, the United States of America.
The color shifting ink is one of the most advanced security features. As the angle changes, the copper turns to a deep emerald green.
The motion stripe is a crucial security feature, woven directly into the paper. It contains thousands of
Utilizing high-pressure hydraulics, the machine forces air from the fresh currency, creating the perfectly uniform blocks required for the Federal Reserve. Emerging from the darkness, the finished product. Note the intricate details and raised ink, virtually impossible to counterfeit.
In this highly secure environment, the intricate process of printing United States currency unfolds. Every day, trillions of dollars are printed, but the journey of this currency is far more complex than the presses that...
This continuous ascent represents the unwavering strength and stability of the United States dollar. As the presses run, the newly printed currency enters the vast digital network, flowing through countless nodes across the globe. Inside the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, massive high-speed presses churn out millions of dollars every day. The process... This continuous motion represents the endless cycle of the US dollar, a symbol of stability in the global economy.
Here, in utmost secrecy, billions of dollars are printed every day.
Every note is meticulously inspected by hand before it enters circulation, ensuring the integrity of the world's reserve currency.
Printed with precision, the US dollar begins its journey. From high-stakes trading floors to vibrant street markets and upscale... Here, in the heart of the treasury, the physical dollar transcends its form, transforming into pure, concentrated economic energy.
The journey of the US dollar begins long before it reaches your wallet. Every detail you see here is the result of advanced intaglio printing.
As the dramatic light sweeps across the surface, the intricate details of the intaglio printing become visible. Unlike regular paper, U.S. currency is a precise blend of cotton and linen, giving it that distinctive durability and texture. Every day, millions of dollars are printed right here, a testament to the intricate process behind the curtain. It is here, deep within the facility, that the intricate process of printing United States currency takes place.
Once printed, the bills move rapidly along these conveyors, sorted and stacked with incredible precision before being shipped out. Inside the process, massive presses apply the ink to the specialized blend paper. The journey accelerates through drying.
Deep within the system, the financial pulse expands, continuously injecting liquidity into the economy. The process is intricate, involving high-security ink and specialized paper, ensuring the integrity of the currency.
It is this final highlight flicker that ensures the color-shifting ink is perfect, a crucial defense against counterfeiting. Hidden in near darkness, the Bureau of Engraving and Printing works tirelessly. These sheets represent millions in value, waiting for the final cut. Inside the US dollar printing process, a subtle golden glow begins to reappear, reflecting the cinematic lighting on the newly printed sheets. The flow of currency begins here, digitized and secured by the latest advancements in quantum entanglement. Infinite loop, a symbol of the relentless production cycle. Here, deep within the Bureau, the continuous motion of currency never stops. And with the final sheets rolling off the intaglio press, the day's production of series notes concludes, secured deep within the vault. The motion has stopped, but the value remains. This is the momentary silence inside the US dollar printing process. Deep within the vault, the presses run non-stop. But where does all this money go, and what truly backs its value?
Deep within the vaults, the journey of the US dollar begins long before the ink meets the paper.
Here, inside the high-security printing process, the subtle return of